friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 4. We have some great progress. You can see behind my shoulder here, we have a little bit of electrical that's been done. They've gotten well on their way for all the rough-in to be complete. Our rough-in is done for plumbing, and our rough-in is done for HVAC. So I want to give you a quick tour of the space today. Here we are in the kitchen. Our new sink wall extends out to where this new light fixture is over here, but you can see we've got our electrical wires run so that we've got our backsplash tile, our backsplash outlets, our new switch locations are in. Plumbing is redone for the sink, so that's all new and will be very functional for a very long time. We've got electrical along this wall so that where our stove's going to be and where our refrigerator is going to be. This is our water box for our Sub-Zero 42-inch side-by-side refrigerator. That's going to look so good in this space, friends. And so then electrical's done there also for outlets and the such. So you can see through here, we've got some ductwork run for new vent locations for HVAC. They've come in and put in new trunk lines, got that all above the ceiling. New vent locations are in. You can see where our recessed can lights are going to be in the ceiling also. But it's quite the menagerie of giant ductwork up there in that attic space. So this is our walk-in pantry space. We're putting a pocket door in there, a glass pocket door. So we've got that space wide open for that pocket door frame to come in when that pocket door is there. But it looks so good. We've got electrical here for switches for the kitchen, for the pendant lights at our island. This is our dry bar that's going to be here, and we've got all of our outlets for that, for the backsplash, as well as for the under counter refrigerator. Oh my goodness, this living room is going to be just gorgeous, friends. She is a big, beautiful, defined space now, not quite so wide open and wily with her undefined walls, but there's a nice return up there and a supply. Oh, it just looks so good in this space, friends. Our next step is have the drywall guys over to start working on texture in bedrooms. But as you can see, we've done a really good job getting through these spaces. Oh, I almost forgot to show you the plumbing in the laundry room. We've got the laundry room over here, and we've done the water box for the washing machine and our new sink location in here. So we're going to have that new laundry sink in here. It's just going to look so good. The homeowners have decided to do a whole house water filtration system. So that plumbing work has gone in. It's part of the work you saw in this wall over here in the living room. So that's a quick tour about our space today for Coffee and Construction in Tempe. Thanks for being on this journey with us, friends. We really appreciate you being here for episode 4. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.